Like, he needs to start finding some answers, because I got the sense from him down there, Andy Farrell, that he didn't have answers. And I don't know what he need. Like, I think we need to talk about 10, because I think Sam Prendergast had a really difficult night, and I think he's got a big decision to make again at 10. Does he stick with Prendergast? Potentially damage his confidence, potentially damage the team overall, because he's making bad decisions, he's making bad mistakes, teams are going after him. France made 20 tackles and missed 7 tonight. That's a busy night at the office. Made some scatterbrain decisions, threw an intercept, did some wonderful things during the aborted comeback. But overall, I didn't think he was good enough tonight, and I think that's a major question mark going into Italy next week.
What about that, Cian?
Yeah, how are we still having this conversation?
We're having it for the next couple of years, I think.
Yeah, look, he mixed the good with the downright awful.
Yeah, he had a nice kick that time to Tommy O'Brien.
Yeah, and he could kick to the corner that led to, I think it was the second try, a nice little front door pass. And look, they're the positives, but yeah, some of the stuff was just mad. Like, I know he was trying to stop, I think, a 50-22 when he volleyed that ball clear, but I think you have to take your medicine there. To volley the ball clear like that just gives France the counter-attacking opportunity that they crave, and that's what ended up happening. I don't know, was he spooked or what? But when he threw the hospital pass to poor old Tommy O'Brien, I'd say Tommy O'Brien was cursing him. Just completely scrambled, and you can't afford for your 10 to not have the clarity in those kind of moments, because I think that spreads through the team in terms of those kind of negative effects, and it's not good. And I think we're having the same conversations over and over again, and I think Sam Prendergast was picked because Ireland felt like they would have to score tries. Obviously they have to score tries to win the game, but I think the fact that France and the amount of tries that they could have scored, and sure enough they scored 5, but what he's bringing on the positive side of the game, I don't think it's big enough to sacrifice the defensive issues